Hey everyone, on today's video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Apollo Chrome extension. So first we're going to go to our Google Chrome browser. Then we're going to type in Chrome Web Store. Then we're going to click on the link. So on the search portal we're going to search for apollo.io. So once it's loaded it's going to give us the Apollo extension. We're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on Add to Chrome, as you can see. So once we click on Add Extension, it's going to be added on our extension. But first it's going to download, so we're going to wait for a minute. So once it's downloaded, we're going to click and see. As you can see, the Apollo Chrome extension is added to our Chrome website. So we could go and click on it, then we can sign in. So once we sign in, we could use it perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, like for more. Goodbye.